Oh my gosh, there's so much to do. I lose track. It's a good thing I've got my assistant. Can you turn the camera around and show you guys?
It's too close.
It's too close. But you can show Joy. There's Joy. Joy is one of my assistants this morning. Of course you can turn your camera and put your face. Come on, Dominique. Come on.
It's so close.
Yeah, hey, come on. Or come next to me. And I can introduce you as well. There we go. Awesome. You can have the whole team. So Dominique is with me since the beginning. This whole series of video that you've seen, Dominique is behind the camera. He is patient. He is wonderful, lovely, super to work with. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. And can I have Joy now come in?
No.
We have the team. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, it's a good thing.
I can't tell from how
What?
okay.
Oh. Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
I'll put you on the other side, Dominique, for now. There we go. So then Joy, oh gosh. Now I'm a dwarf.
It just shows how petite you are.
So Joy is amazing soul. She's was at my cafe helping me, and then helping me since then. Since we known each other, we can just together all the time. Just I love her. So generous. And I'm going to put her on the spot now. She's going to come up with a class too. She's an amazing Qigong teacher. And I told her, you got to do this too. Thank you so much, Angel. Thank you. Awesome. Thanks, Dominique. Oh.